Martin Lake with my son here in Alabama. We hit a tough day when we got here. There's probably, I don't know, 10 tournaments going on the lake. It's really crowded. It's a Saturday. Fishing is really slow, so we're found a few fish here on a small island, and we're having to finesse them. We're starting to catch a few white bass, and we've got a white bass, a largemouth, a couple of spots, and I think I caught a big drum.
Catfish.
Oh, and that catfish. So multi-species day. Get us out there. Seems like they're heading away from us. You got the swim.
The graph. I'm throwing a swim bait, but I'm throwing the heavier one. I think it's probably the lighter one. The heavier one works better when they're suspended.
I think we could have top watered those. I might.
What is it?
It's a big old spot.
Yeah.
It's a good one too.
How deeper?
Boy, it doesn't look
Ooh,
good,
he's an ugly one, yeah. Ooh, he's really beat up.
Yeah, beat up spot. Not looking too good. It's a nice fish though. Well, I'm not skunked. That fish hammered it too. I don't know.
What is that, catfish?
Oh, it's a drum. I'm gonna need the net. Oh no. Big old drum. I mean, I'm talking a doozy too.
I've only caught a few drum out here.
Ah, come on, big fella. Big old freshwater drum.
Well, that was unexpected.
Yeah, not what I'm looking for. Catfish. Well, you're not skunked. He looks all jacked up.
The ones I was catching today were a little bigger than that, but
I mean, I'll take it.
There you go, you got your wish.
First white bass, not a big one, but we'll take it.
Is that one out a little deeper on that?
No, it was right on the point. And I'm telling you, that was a light bite.
Mine was a hard bite on the swim bait. I got hammered on one. I don't know if I've been a different kind of species. I don't know why when I hit the spot lock, it still lets us come back on this a little bit. I had a...
Oh, missed him. Darn it.
See, I don't have an angle now to keep the boat where it needs to be.
It keeps swinging this. It's hard to fish it correctly with the boat moving.
Well, I think it's just the way the current and the wind's blowing.
Ugh, Lee there, hard to hook. of them are small ones.
Nursery.
Little spot.
I'm trying to worm to see if there's any more bass in there because I caught a few on the worm last time.
Missed him.
Yeah, bit again?
Yeah. Just tiny, just barely nipping at it.
I got one on the worm. Must have been a dink. You got another one?
Yeah.
At least I got you into some action. Another white bass.
Yeah, just a little guy. That's all right. Dinky.
Well, I'm on the left side here. Now you can still cast. I just try to.
I think we might be making a mistake by not throwing a little deeper.
Oh, look at the gar. Holy crap, it's like a 4-foot gar.
Ooh, Marshall.
What is it?
It's a better white bass.
Well, that's more like the ones I was catching the other day.
But see, it's under the chin. They're not really eating it like they should.
Oh, I got a better fish too. It's a good spot.
Not huge, but we got a double going here. He's got a largemouth.
A little one.
White bass and a largemouth. Double. I don't know. I think I got you. White bass too, isn't it? Yep. I'm using the old trusty hair jig. Where are you looking?
Straight ahead, watching us.
That's a boat.
The boat.
Yeah. We've got current flowing through here. This island is a bit of a current break.
I just had something hit me as I was reeling it in. It worked.
This is one of the better lakes I fished, but today's just a tough day. He was out in the middle of the channel. We're not catching big fish, but they're fun. He was in there shallower, and this is on the white. No, I think it's just a white bass. It's the biggest one today. Oh, it's a big spot.
Big old spot. Yeah, it's a nice spot. That'd be one of those ones those tournament guys would love to have right now, bro.
Where's your pliers at? Okay, so it's shad. Throwing a white bucktail jig. Which is mimicking this shad, which is what they're eating. That's a good spot.
That's a thread fin, isn't it?
It's a good spot. That's 2.5, 3 pounds probably. It's my best bite all day. Oh, I'll take it.
Wasn't really expecting that. That's good sized bait there.
Yeah, the jigs are perfect mimic to that bait. That's surprising that we've been missing so many with bait that size. Those tournament guys would love to have that fish.
Especially on a day like today.
Doubled again. Thanks for tuning in. We're calling it a day. There's got the weigh in for this one of these tournaments out here. Just boats everywhere. But we didn't do too bad. Caught a lot of fish, a lot of small ones. I did catch a couple of good ones. But thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and fish with us next time.